you better. Your wings will take you far. So wish upon that star. You'll be surprised, Lady Bird. Just keep on trying, one foot and then the other. Just keep believing. One day you will discover that living out on limbs is where the fun begins. You've got to fly, Lady Bird. There's a whole different life waiting for you. Dream and you can have it. You just gotta climb out on a limb and grab the fruit. It's waiting for you to see it through. It'll be fun, that's all I'm just saying. That life is just a puzzle, and if you know how to laugh, you'll solve it. This I know, of those that went before you, no one can do it for you. Life is waiting, can't you see that life is waiting there to implore you? You may miss some of the beauty in life if you don't take chances. I believe it's true that you can have your cake and eat it. Open your mind and you will find you're ready to savor the great flavors of life. You may discover something more than you ever dreamed of. This I know. Follow the heart inside you, let intuition guide you. Life is waiting, can't you see that life is waiting there to implore you? If life's a puzzle, let's fit it all together. What rests beyond the nest might just suit you better. Your wings will take you far, so rest upon that star. You'll be surprised, Lady Bird. Fly, Lady Bird. Fly, Lady Bird. You've got to fly, Lady Bird.